Greater wealth. What is greater wealth? Peace of mind is the greater wealth in this world and in your life also. Having a sharp memory is the good quality of the brain. Forget unwanted things is the better quality of the heart. Live in peace, not in pieces. This is the life. You have to enjoy each and every moment in a peaceful way. This is most important in everybody's life. Eyes are useless if the mind is blind. So, always keep your mind in a positive mode. Great dreams starts with great expectations. Great expectations starts with great incidents. Great incidents starts with great experiences. How you will get that great experiences? By showing great effort in your life. You will get that good results. By showing great effort also, you may face some negative results. You may get some disappointments. Don't degrade yourself at that moment. All these things are immaterial. By showing effort in your life, you will become a stronger person. Your ability and capability definitely will increase. Effort never waste. By showing that effort, you will get good, better and best results and best experiences in your life. By that best experiences, you can reach your goal very easily. You can fulfill your dreams in an easy way. This needs everybody. In everybody's life, understanding is most important with others. For to reach your goal, good understanding is most important. Time, power, money and body may not cooperate all the time in your life. Only thing, the good nature, good habits and good understanding will cooperate in your life. This is most important. The best way to take care of the future is to take care of present things in a happy way and a peaceful way. Then only you will get peace of mind in your life. People who reaches higher level is not a luckiest person. People who do good things in their life and have good communication and good understanding with other people, they are the luckiest persons in this world. So, understanding is most important. Always improve that one. To get peace of mind, you need, and that is the first step in your life. For to get peace of mind, you can do meditation also. That is also one way. If you keep your brain and mind in a peaceful and happy way, that is also another solution for to get peace of mind. Always your attitude should be in a positive way to get good results in your life. Your mind is your enemy. It never allows you to live in peacefully. That is mind's nature. What you have to do for that? Always keep your mind in a positive mode, not in a negative mode. There are two modes, positive and good mode. Another one is negative and bad mode. Always choose good mode to get good, better and best results in your life. Then only you will get peace of mind. You can enjoy your life fully and thoroughly. Don't choose negative attitude, bad attitude. This bad attitude is just like a flat tire. With that flat tire, you cannot travel until and unless you have to change the tire with stepney. That is only the solution for that. After that only you can travel smoothly. Bad attitude is also just like that flat tire. You will get negative results. You can lose peace of mind, happiness in your life. So, don't choose negative attitude, don't improve that one. By following all these things in your life, definitely success and peace of mind is on your feet. This is the greater wealth in your life. What is that? Only thing, peace of mind. It is very precious and precious than silver, gold, diamond and platinum. So, always take care of that. You have to choose the way how to get that one in your life. By getting that one, your life is like a garden. So, each and every person need this greater wealth in their life. That is peace of mind. Thank you.